Asake has since been a delight, enjoying a smooth run with a host of chart-topping hit singles, complemented with the release of his record-breaking debut album. After selling out the O2 Brixton Hall within minutes on 3 different occasions, Asake made the big move up to the O2 Arena. In another landmark feat, Asake has announced that all available tickets for the 20,000 capacity arena are now sold out ahead of his August 20, 2023 concert. Popular Nigerian musician Davido has taken delivery of his new diamond encrusted necklace to celebrate the success of his album Timeless. The diamond crescent pendant was designed by luxury jewelry brand Local Kettle Brothers UK Jewelers and reportedly cost over 500 million naira. The diamond pendant was created in recognition of Timeless, his multi-platinum album. What's your favorite Asake music at the moment?